Your vinaigrette is fresher when it's frozen, okay? Mango season na, no? So, madami na tayong mango. Lemon. Very good. Po, siguro, 2 pinches, 3 pinches.
One,
Two lang.
two,
Ginger.
three,
Sa isang piece pwede na. Siguro ganito. Or, konti pa. You can use a blender or a food processor.
Kasi difference nila. Kung yun, no?
Mas okay yung blender pala. Sorry. Yeah, pero hindi masyadong ludumog yung ginger. Pero you can use also powdered ginger. Okay. Alright, so if you have a food processor, use powdered ginger instead of fresh ginger because the processor isn't breaking up the ginger very well.
Kuan lang siguro siya, no? Palitag tabda.
tab.
Ah?
Tabla?
Tablitas.
Yeah. Okay, so honey is okay for people who are not diabetic. Honey has very high glycemic index. If you're diabetic, don't use honey. You can use stevia though. Stevia is a plant. The leaves and stem of the plant are so sweet, but it has zero sugar. The sweetness is from a molecule in the plant that stimulates the same taste buds as sugar, but has 0 calories. So use that if you're diabetic, okay? You can find it in some of the supermarkets we have. I think Rustan has it. You have to ask. But definitely, healthy options has stevia. Okay? It's a little bit expensive in healthy options. Look for, if you want it really cheap, look for the fit and sweet brand, or sweet and fit brand. Just look it up in Google. Okay? I think they allow delivery if you buy by bulk. And make it a business here. Alright? Extra livelihood. Okay, so for the next ones, we're going to be using the blender. Okay? Alright, so we're going to be doing some
Mga
taste
dipping.
testing again. Okay? So right after all of this, you can line up here and taste your favorite
Mga dipping ata yan.
vinaigrette. Alright. Next is pineapple vinaigrette. Pineapple vinaigrette. This is my personal favorite. Again? Yeah. When it's frozen, when it's cold, it feels fresher when you eat it. Okay? Red bell pepper. Garlic. Five. Okay. There we go. Ginger. The bell peppers make the vinaigrette, the pineapple vinaigrette taste like Hawaii. It tastes more Hawaiian, and so it tastes really good. May diabetic pa po dito? Ay, dalawa. So, tikim lang po. Tikim lang talaga, okay? Tapos salad na lang po ang So again, instead of honey, use stevia po, okay? Look for stevia. Kasi while diabetic, although hindi sugar ang cause ng diabetes, while diabetic, we have to control the sugar intake, okay? Once you reverse your diabetes, then no problem. You can have some honey again.
Ay, oo. Kaya ba? Grabe ka, starchy.
This one.
Mga ba na daw?
Cane, sugar cane.
Oh.
Plan pala tayo, start slow. Tapos saka natin itaas. Huwag yung biglang taas. Kasi pwede matapon or masira.
Alright. So 2 down. So you can use this for any salad, okay? You can use this as your vinaigrette for any kind of salad. We also use strawberries, we use blueberries instead of pineapple. And you can play with the ingredients, play with the flavor. Find a flavor that you like. What is the last one, sir?
Last one is the papaya vinegar.
Papaya vinaigrette. Okay.
Yung papaya vinaigrette, medyo sweet na siya. So, kahit konti na lang na sugar ang ilagay.
Wala eh. Puso. Sige, ito ang puso.
Yan. Thank you, sir. So you don't have to buy those expensive vinaigrettes in the grocery, you can make your own. And this is much healthier. Yes, yes, absolutely. Did you know that in 5-star hotels and 5-star restaurants, social po ang vinaigrette nila? Ganito. Okay? Fruit vinaigrette. They have blueberry vinaigrette, strawberry vinaigrette. It sounds so nice and it's very simple to make. So what you're going to be tasting today is vinaigrette from 5-star hotels and restaurants. Okay? God doesn't give us low quality food, right? He gives us high quality food. And this is what we should be eating. Because we are very special.
Ha? Sila. Ay, ang combination sa ayan pa.
With these vinaigrettes, you control the amount of salt you put in. So this is why it's good. The commercial vinaigrettes, the salt is already there, so you don't know how much salt they put. So you can't even control the amount. All right. Okay. So the last thing that we are going to be doing before taste testing is mango Thai salad or salsa. Salsa is another term for salad. Okay? Okay, thank you po.
Social. Okay. Okay.
Do you have your spoons ready? My plastic spoons for my bag, sir. Huh? I'm nothing. Okay, please distribute the spoons.
Seems like po, di na ako
There we go.
Green and
Right.
ripe mango.
Green and bright mango.
Para may mix ng medyo maasim at matamis. Tomato, na strip, onion, white onion. Pero you can use red onion.
Okay. So white onions are sweeter than red onions.
Bell pepper, gumamit kami ng red, yellow, and green. Para mas maganda yung presentation. But you can use green or red. Garlic, sili.
So who loves spicy? Good.
And cucumber.
Cucumber spices. Okay.
Para sa topping, gagamit tayo ng roasted nut. Kaya tayo peanut, pero you can use other nuts.
So this is peanut.
Peanut.
Wala na.
Tapos, for the fish sauce, kasi di ba yung salsa, ang fish sauce na ginagamit doon ay fish sauce. So, para maging vegetarian, we will use seaweed.
Alright, so fishy taste of the Thai salsa. You get it originally for fish sauce, but we're going to be using seaweed. By the way, the chili that we will be using is a little bit spicy, but remember, spicy means a lot of capsaicin, which is anti-cancer. Okay? It's anti-cancer. Studies show that on contact, capsaicin kills cancer cells.
Nakapalit ka na.
This is the roasted seaweed. You don't want you buying the flavored seaweed. It's very high in salt, MSG, and oil. This is not. This is just roasted, plain roasted. No additional salt.
Okay, so gagawin po natin yung dressing.
Sa ibigan.
For the dressing,
Sa
our
imported goods.
ingredients are soy sauce.
Sa Iloilo na dagan natin, 35 ra. Lami pag kayo.
Has no sodium
Pero
content.
mahal kung kato kay imported man naman siya mahal to.
As we also know, or one, or one
Iso market has one.
Yung beginner.
Sa dressing, we will add garlic,
Sa
saka
salida dayon.
and lemon.
Bata pa siya, milyonaryo na siya. Kabalo na siya na siya kumpanya. Tungod sa CV.
And bread.
Brag day lang gamit.
And by the way, Bragg does not pay us either to promote their product. It's just a good product. That's why we use it. Okay? And lemon juice.
Ganahan ka mo, bonnet.
Ikaw magtindog kay kamay ka. Magtindog ka ng sa likod.
Didi, may wala na ito sa likod. Ay, didi, I'm sorry. Pinupusari. Sabi ko po.
Okay, so this is very simple. Right, sir? All you do is
Kapoy na.
mix everything. What takes time, however, is the preparation. Chopping and slicing of all the
Tapos
vegetables.
i-mix lang po natin lahat sa bowl.
So bell peppers are very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants for cancer, for colds, and for a lot of other conditions. Look at the color, really bright color.
The more the color, the more
Wow. Spicy po talaga.
So today it's gonna be vegetables and fruits, right? Wow. Remember that all of the ingredients that we used are from Cebu. So this is all available here. We did not get anything from other places. They're all available in your locality.
Wow. Yeah.
So are you excited to taste this? Good?
Excuse.
So he's not going to put everything. And he's going to put
Excuse.
just, he's going to leave some for the topping. Okay? So it looks nice. If you want vitamin B12, don't use gloves.